zum Wildraften. Ich freue mich mega. Ich weiß nicht, ob Nora sich freut. Sie sieht nicht so freudig aus. Sieht so aus, als wären wir allein im Bus. Transferbus. Das macht Nora nicht weniger nervös.
Weil es viel zu kalt ist und kann auch nicht auf die Idee, um auf so ein Boot zu gehen. Nicht alle. We ready? Wir sind doch nicht allein. Das ist sehr cool.
Ich erzähle Leute. Ich habe irgendwie einfach kein T-Shirt bekommen mit Nora.
Also ich habe so ein Splash-T-Shirt, das ich nicht kalt habe. Da ist Blut. Besser so.
Is your boyfriend?
Yeah, the other one.
Boyfriend, come with Nora.
Okay.
What's your name?
Alan.
Ikira.
Ikira. Nice to meet you.
Alan, go with your girl.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain you basic things. This river is technical, so a lot of rocks. We are 5, so we have to be good or we can flip, okay? So only pay attention in the paddling and good reaction, okay? Now sit in the sides, turn around, everybody on the sides. You 3, left side on the front, left foot on the front, you 2, right foot, okay? So, second, this part of your paddle is the T-grip, finger and hand. This is the most dangerous part in rafting, never let it free, it can hit your face like a hammer, okay? All the time in your hand, so, like this. First command, when I say forward, I need you with all your body, palm to the front, grab it. You have to do it from here, okay? And from here, 1. So you 2 at the same time, like this in your, from here, okay? 1, everybody at the same time. 1 until I say stop, okay? It's very abdominal, okay? So push with your legs. When I say backward, it's inverse, you move it back, okay? When I say grab the rope, you grab the rope with this hand, you can leave your palm and link in, okay? So you're linked in. So you're not gonna fall, but you're ready for a paddling just in case I need it. And get down is for sit here down, completely down, chicken position, okay? Here down.
And like us in here.
Yeah,
Okay.
inside, okay? Get out of position and you return to your position, ready for paddling or whatever it is. Here with your paddle. Here, let me see the energy. Yeah. Welcome to the Chile River.
Ah, thank you. Oh my!
Forward. Stop.
Nora, pick up.
Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Forward. 1, 2, come on. 1. Go, stop, grab the rope. We beat. Okay, I need more weight in the right side, okay? Jump a little bit.
Wir sind stuck! Wir sind stuck!
Upward, back, down. Under, back. Down the rope. Come on, wake up. Up. Fucking hell. Forward. Stop. Forward. 1. Stop. Okay, how do you feel?
Good.
Get ready for the next one, okay? It's harder. It's all the time harder and harder, so we have to do better.
They get harder and harder.
Yeah, guys, we're not in order at all. At all.
Okay.
With the paddling.
You have to follow us.
Fergus
we
going,
can't see
Fergus
you.
isn't going.
You go too fast.
Yeah, Fergus, you're going.
Forward. 1, 2, 1. Stop. Grab the rope.
Grab the rope.
Grab the rope.
Good job, you 5.
Nice.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice.
One, two. Forward. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 1. Go, get the rope. Like this. Backwards. 1, 2. Oh God.
Ouais, c'est lustig.
Okay, my team. The next part is the hardest. Okay?
Okay.
So here. Okay. Sometimes the people walk, but I want to run with you. Okay? I think you can do it. So it's not easy to do it because it's heavy here. Okay? So be good. No mistakes here. Fight with me all the time. Good paddling. Okay? Good reaction. Don't fall in the middle of the rapid. That's important. Don't lose your paddle. Okay? This kind of thing. The first one is a technical one, a lot of rocks, we're gonna bump the rocks, we're gonna get up in the rocks, okay? But all the time with you. There's one extra command that is good, that is high side. If we get stuck in a rock, okay, one side of the rock come up, the other one come down, and the river put pressure on the low side, okay? So I will say high side, that means if this side is up, high side left, you two have to jump up there, okay?
If that's high, so if it's like that,
Yeah, if that's high.
we go up there.
Yeah, you go there. High side right, that means you three
Jump
come
up
here,
there.
come
Fine.
this way.
Okay.
Sometimes I have time for explain left or right, sometimes no, you have to react, okay? But now you know what is high side. It's only just in case. If the paddling is good, we don't need it. Okay?
If the paddling is good, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. For example, I am here in the right side. There's a high side left. Like this.
Okay.
Position. High side right. Position. Okay?
You can throw yourself on top.
Okay, it's just high level.
You're not the
What do
plan.
we do when we fall?
You don't fall. If you fall,
Yeah.
grab the rope.
Okay,
Okay.
don't
Here
leave
with
it.
the rope, you grab the person from here
Yeah.
and race
Okay.
very fast. Okay?
Okay.
We're not doing that.
We're not doing that.
No, no.
Forward. 1, 2.
Not like that.
No. We're very cool and controlled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Give me 5. Come on. You got this.
Go.
Forward. 1. Stop. Grab the rope. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get up. Forward. Go. Grab the rope. Faster. Be faster. Forward. 1, 2. Grab the rope. Grab the rope. With me, my team! Forward! Forward! Up! Up! Harder! 1, 2, grab the rope! Get up! What side is that? Backward! 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 Back! Forward! Head back! Come on! Harder! Harder back! Back! More back! More back! Stop! Good job!
Did we do okay?
Nice one, guys! That's the first one. We stopped for safety.
Yeah.
But here come another one.
Okay.
Forward. 1, 2,
One. Get up the rope. Watch your body, lad. Get down. Get down. Down, down, down. Up. Back, 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 back. One. Forward, 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 forward. Down, get down. Careful, careful. Get up, get up. Good job, Matthew. That was fucking terrifying. Nice. Back, 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 back. Stop. Grab the rope. Woo. Woo. Jeez. Forward. 1, 2, 1. Forward. 1. Watch out your paddle.
Oh my god.
Let's go get her. Forward. 1, 2, 1. Forward. 1, 2, 1. Remo, your paddle, that paddle, backwards, backwards. 1, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh. Backward, please. Back. You can't do it. 2. My friend, thank you very much.
Hey. Thank you.
This way.
Ja. So, wir sind jetzt fertig mit Wild Rafting,
River Rafting.
River Rafting. Das war echt funny.
Das war wirklich cool. Hat alle eine gute Idee gehabt. Können wir wieder mal machen. Jetzt tun wir eigentlich nur noch schlendern, ein bisschen sein und morgen fahren wir weiter nach Cusco. 12 Stunden Busfahrt.
Hey.
Yay!
Lay down, chicken position, okay?